Hey everyone, in this video I wanted to share with you a couple of answers that QuantumScape management gave to investors that has a lot of investors talking about QuantumScape stocks. So let's get into this brief video and consider why, so many investors are talking about QuantumScape. So the question is, why have you chosen 24 layers or 5 amp hours as the size of your first commercial cell? So if you're not aware, QuantumScape stock does not yet have a product in the market yet. It's developing innovative technology to charge electric vehicle batteries or create electric vehicle batteries that makes charging of these batteries faster and longer lasting. The first product it has chosen to go with is this 5 amp or 24 layer product that it's attempting to commercialize and get it to market as fast as possible. So the CEO jumps in to say that they've seen manufacturer interest both in large and small cells, but what everyone is interested is in energy density to get the most energy power in the smallest space possible. So for our first product, we want to minimize the time to market, and we believe our 24-hour 5 amp power design has the potential to deliver energy densities and power capability higher than many of the cells used in EVs today. So that this product, if they can get it to the market, it's better than the products that exist in the market today. So it's going to be an improvement. The question is, can QuantumScape get this product to market? Can they get it stabilized, and can they get the prototype to a model that they can mass manufacture and get to market? So we think this design already offers a compelling value proposition. The next question is, there was some announcement from competitors regarding new battery technologies, and this could be a big risk for QuantumScape, right? If competitors come out with technology that's better than what QuantumScape is working on, it might prove QuantumScape's technology obsolete. So this is a risk that investors in QuantumScape stock are rightly to be concerned about. So the CEO also is jumping in to answer this question to relieve some QuantumScape investor concern here. So of the two recent announcements, we've yet to see any data showing performance on high rate long cycle life room temperature test. Of course, without the data, it's very hard to evaluate any claims. So far, what the CEO is saying is that there isn't anything to be alarmed about. So far, we haven't seen any data, and if we don't see data, it's hard to evaluate any of these claims. So far, these are just claims, right? These are just people saying things without showing the definitive evidence to prove these claims. So far, nothing to be concerned about yet. Regarding the sodium ion, some of the figures they've seen suggest it has a very low energy density. And remember from earlier, OEMs, manufacturers are looking for high energy density, more energy in less space, right? You don't want, if you have a choice as a manufacturer, would you want a battery this size or a battery this size with the same amount of energy? Right? You'd prefer the battery with the smaller size with the same amount of energy, right? Because then you can put it in, it's easier to work it into the design of your car. You don't have to find a way to design a car around the battery that's this big and this big, right? You want it to be smaller in size. So it's likely unsuitable for high value automotive applications. So what the CEO is saying is that so far these announcements that were talked about by a lot of investors and concern regarding QuantumScape investors, he's downplaying these announcements. Now, of course, you can understand that he would downplay in these announcements because he's the CEO of a different company, right? QuantumScape, and he's got a little bit of bias for his own company, not going to be um, highlighting or hyping up the other technologies. It's going to be more interested in highlighting and upgrading his own technology. So there's a little bit of bias there, to be sure, although investors can take this with a little bit of positivity in that there is not so much concern from QuantumScape regarding these other technologies for now. All right, so that's all I've got for this video. I just wanted to highlight these developments and, give you some insight into why some people are talking about QuantumScape stock. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I'll see you again soon. I want to thank the Motley Fool for sponsoring this video. Visit fool.com/Parkev for the 10 best stocks to buy now.